This is the road to Brigadoon. Back in the 50s, there were a series of movies called The Road to Mandalay, The Road to Rio, The Road to other places. This is the road to Brigadoon. Brigadoon also came out of the 50s. There was a Broadway show by Lerner and Loewe called Brigadoon, which was about a mysterious, magical city that appeared once every 100 years. And it was later made into a movie in 1954. After that, substantially, this set of townhomes in Clearwater, Florida was built and named after that. And it is a magical city as well. It is right in the center of the Clearwater Greenbelt, walking trails, bicycle trails, an absolutely gorgeous swimming pool. It's close to the famous Clearwater Beach and also close to the place where the Buccaneers play professional football, and also a very easy drive to where the Tampa Bay Rays play, at least where they play currently. This is there's talk of them moving to Montreal, but has not happened yet. So conveniently located to everything in the Tampa Bay area. And 1504 Brigadoon is an incredible value. It has been recently completely renovated, new pretty much everything, not everything, but pretty much, and an absolutely elegant house, executive, luxury, pretty, absolutely gorgeous home. Another video that shows the inside of the home, and right now we are pulling up to the front door of 1504 Brigadoon. The next video will be inside the home.